Hello friends, in this video I will show how to group objects, shapes in Illustrator. So very simple and easy way, just select objects, then once you select here you will see the options group, click on it. To ungroup, again select them and here you will see the option ungroup. Another way, in the object, here is the setting group, click here. Also you can use the Control plus G to group these objects. And to ungroup, Shift plus Control plus G, shortcut for Windows. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. Also you can make the multiple group, like you make the group for this one, this two object. Now group these all. So basically here are two group. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.